Does this scaling procedure weakens the teeth?
No. It's a myth, most common myth amongst the population, both educated and the one which is not very educated.
Okay.
And this I've been hearing ever since I took admission in dental school. Scaling never weakens the tooth. In
Okay.
fact, the weakening of the teeth, which is often a complaint of the patients who get scaling done, is because they have accumulated so much of calculus tartar in their mouth over the period of say 10 years, 15 years. So when the tartar and calculus is deposited in your oral cavity for such a long period. So what is this calculus or tartar? It is just harboring microorganisms in it. So
Okay.
over the period of time, these microorganisms, they eat up your gums and bone. ठीक है, दांत को तो उन्होंने होल्ड करा हुआ है वहां पे, और गम्स एंड बोन को पूरा they have eaten up. So when we remove the tartar and calculus, suddenly there is nothing holding the teeth. It was just tartar and deposit which was holding the teeth, and suddenly the teeth become mobile, and they say हमारे दांत कमजोर हो गए. It never weakens the tooth. In fact, if you get the scaling and polishing done, which is by literature, again recommended at least once in a year.
Okay.
It's a professional cleaning. It's mandatory once in a year.